JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest price anywhere online. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from JazzTime.com. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 31, reference 178271, white mother of pearl Roman dial with a Jubilee bracelet. I'm going to talk to you about the case, the bezel, the dial, the bracelet, movement, and then try it on for you. So let's dive right in. This watch is using a stainless steel case. It's 31 millimeters from my thumb to my index finger. Okay, that's the case. The case is all in steel, and it's using a 2235 movement, 2235. Now, this watch as of 2020 has been discontinued, and it's replaced by the 278271. This is the 178271, and I'll show you the difference. On the case, it's kind of hard to see on these 31s without a comparison, but the lugs here are a little bit skinnier on the 278271 as opposed to this one I have here. And the movement is upgraded in the sense that this one is plus minus 7 seconds a day with a 48-hour power reserve. The newer version is a 70-hour power reserve with a plus minus 2 seconds a day. So the engine, or movement if you will, is a little bit better in the newer one. Now let's move on to the dial. This watch is kind of special in that they don't make this dial anymore. It's a white MOP, white mother of pearl with Roman hour markers. These Roman hour markers are actually fashioned in 18 karat pink gold. So that's what makes it special. They only make this white MOP with diamonds or pave 6 o'clock. So they don't make it with this Roman style anymore. So this rose gold Datejust 31 with a white MOP Roman dial is quite special. If you want this configuration, you got to go with this exact model. You can't take the newer version. Now if they'll make it a new one, I don't really know. Now moving on to the bezel, it uses an 18 karat pink gold or ever rose gold. That means this thing right here that my finger is going around. Okay. Now let's move on to the bracelet. Now this bracelet is using a Jubilee bracelet. Jubilee has 5 links across as opposed to the Oyster, which only has 3. And it's, of course, it's in rose gold, and it has a concealed clasp. Concealed, okay, what does that mean? That means when I close it like this, snap, you can't see anything. Like it looks like one piece. Now in the 31s they didn't change that, but in the 36 millimeters they changed it so it's not concealed clasp anymore. But on the 31s it's still like that. Okay? So I think I've gone through most of it, and if you ask me, I think that the 31s are the best size for most females because it's not too big, it's not too small, and it's one of our best sellers. So you know, it depends on which dial you want, but if you do want the newer style with the newer movement, you got to go with the 278271, and you can find all those at JazzTime.com. We sell all brand new Rolexes, used Rolexes, everything. If you want to sell one or trade one, you go to JazzTime.com, JAZTIME.com. Thanks for watching the video.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.